Hey, what's up, everybody? Frog Stocks here. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Just wanted to come back on, touch base again, a little past midday. APE started a small recovery, hit $1.87. Well, it's at $1.87 now, but hit $1.88. Hopefully that's the bottom at $1.78. Seems logical. That's what we talked about this morning because of the big candle that we had initially here. Let's go with the 4 hour. Yeah, that candle there, we basically covered that. I don't know if it's treating that as some kind of gap fill right here, even though these are wicked out, but we did bounce that range perfectly. And now we're getting ready to go into our next day and blah, blah, blah. AMC even started recovering a little bit. Hopefully we see this uptrend into market close, and the closer we get to Wednesday after hours, I think we see a reversal, a good reversal on the stocks into the conversion, the reverse split and whatnot. The TMF treasury yields went up today, which is really interesting. Got some gaps to fill to the upside, but the closer we get to BRICS becoming a thing, the closer I think we're going to get to that TMF short covering event. And just in case you don't know what BRICS is, this is BRICS. Brazil, China, Russia, South Africa, and India is a group of world economies formed by the 2010 edition of South Africa. They're getting ready to have a meeting in Johannesburg this week. It's very important because they're basically getting together, trying to fight Western economy and basically trying to fight against the US dollar. So there we are that. I want to cover one thing really quick. All the absolutely ignorant people that are coming out and going, this is what the yes voters voted for. This is the same people who said that Adam Aaron is selling shares to Antera to force a vote are now saying that any retail who voted yes for the conversion are stupid. Let me tell you, first of all, you're completely illogical. It's the dumbest comment I've ever heard. One, if Antera controlled the vote, like you say, all the lawsuit settlement people say that, if Antera controlled the vote, then how is it a retail yes voter's fault? Two, you don't get to judge people based on their vote. Half of the people trying to go yes voters, no voters don't even own stock in this thing, and I know they didn't because they told me they bought last week. Three, if retail would have showed up and actually voted, this may have not even have passed. But it doesn't matter because if Adam Aaron doesn't raise cash, AMC would have went into bankruptcy and the shorts would have won anyways. So here's the deal. One, your comments are stupid. Two, Antera controlled the vote anyways. Words from your own mouth, those lawsuit barracks lawyer people. And three, most of retail AMC common stock and APE shareholders didn't even vote. That's the whole problem. The people who own stock who don't care about this anymore, 10 shares here, 20 shares there, 100 shares here, 5 shares here. They don't show up to vote or they don't get their proxy. So these yes voter comment stuff by the lawsuit people who misled everyone into holding AMC common stock into a 50% drop, you're dumb. Bottom line, you're dumb. AMC dropped over 45 to 50% in the last 3 days, and people ate their bags because they were told that the lawsuits were going to stop the conversion and AMC was going to squeeze. That is on you guys. You are wrong. Stop trying to shift blame. Now, when APE swings back up and we go into conversion and open up over $30, then we're right back where I said we would be. And all the, oh, yes, tarred voter people are going to look stupid for the third time in the row, the lawsuit people. If this would have converted on March 15th, 6 months ago, this would have been a big event. The lawsuits and the settlement people delayed this right into the favor of Adam Aaron, his bondholders, and all the shorts in the market. They had more than enough time to reposition in the play so that they could cause this type of event, and now everybody's losing their mind again. Now, don't get me wrong. I've said this from day one. Adam Aaron is sleazy as can be. He has set all this up from day one to be a burden to retail, which is why I'm playing the APE side. This is really hard for people to understand that I'm long APE and I don't like Adam Aaron. I know it's very hard for you to do any type of equation past 1 + 1, but here's the deal. You can dislike what Adam Aaron is doing for the past 3 years and still play the play properly and make money. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now why I don't like Adam Aaron. Adam Aaron could have been raising cash from 70 all the way down to 30, and he didn't. He purposely took it off the board because he says a lot of investors said they didn't want him to raise cash because dilution is bad. Well, if they would have been raising cash the whole time, AMC could have paid off most of the debt, and boom, we could have been profitable quarters a year ago. Now, the same people who didn't want him to raise capital worship him. This community is so hypocritical, it's insane. I didn't even vote because I didn't want to hurt the people who were screaming yes voters are stupid. So I didn't even vote, and it still passed. That's how dumb people are. They always look for someone to blame for clout chasing. I'm telling you right now, the fault lies with Adam Aaron. The fault lies with the people who decided to worship Adam Aaron. Then the same people who turned their backs on him later supported the lawsuits. The lawsuits were stupid from day one. I said it from day freaking one. It was a delay. It was all set up to delay APE conversion because there were funds that was not positioned correctly in the play, and this allowed them to do this to the stock. Anyways, APE's ticking back up, so if you got the dip buy, that's nice. We've taken back over 5% already. This is looking good into market close, in my opinion. We'll probably get slapped a little bit right here. Let's bring one of our lines down. We'll probably get a little bit of resistance right around this level. So I'm guessing we probably hit 190. Tomorrow could be the same thing. I'm going to tell you guys right now, we could get absolutely slaughtered again tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure it will happen. The real crime here is that AMC is still on the NYSE threshold list. Short restrictions have been engaged, and it's not making any difference whatsoever on both stocks. This is just absolute market failure. Regulators are not on our sides. Big money is not on our side. Adam Aaron is not on our side. Bottom line, Adam Aaron is a suit. He should have been removed as chairman and CEO 2 years ago, and we should have put somebody in that would have done T0. T0 would have done what we wanted it to do with the stock, not in terms of a squeeze, but in terms of exposing naked short selling in the market, just like it did with Overstock. So anyways, now that that's aside, anybody saying yes voters are stupid, you're literally dumb. You are the same people saying that Antera controlled the entire vote. So what would any retail vote even matter? So the hypocrisy of that is just insane. Anyways, not really any big news coming out. I wanted to get on just to talk to everybody real quick. There is a big Twitter space call with Mark Cohodes and Dorsey today from the Bear Cave, which is a really good thing. I'm going to be going to that at 1 o'clock. I'm not going to be streaming it. Maybe I should stream it. Nah, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to talk maybe a little bit in it and listen. That'll be 1 o'clock my time, so in about 40 minutes or more. What time is it here right now? It is 12:20. Yeah, about 40 minutes. I'm going to be going to that. Other than that, there was supposedly the rumor, how does T0 work and could it have helped? T0 would have created a 1-to-1 for every one AMC share. It would have created a 1-to-1 security token traded on the T0 platform that's controlled by blockchain. Now, why that helps is it's because the T0 platform, you can't short those tokens. So if everybody got one token for one AMC share, then somebody would be caught naked short and they would go, where are the tokens you were supposed to deliver on this? And in that, they would have identified reconciled share count, and then you can get shorts to cover based on recalls, right? So it would have worked. It would have worked very well, and Adam Aaron would have been able to raise a lot of cash with it. So there you go. Anyways, again, Twitter. Let me post the Twitter space call in the chat for you guys in case you want to go. Elder Lane. I wish it was pinned. Here we go. Boom. Edwin Dorsey. Copy link. There you guys go. Boom. It's going to be a good one. Very excited to interview the great Elder Lane Eggs Tuesday, 3 p.m. Eastern next week. Today, it will not be dull, and we have a lot of new names and things to discuss. Yeah, this is going to be good. So, if you guys don't know who Edwin Dorsey is, he writes for the Bear Cave, and his @ is Stock Jabber. Make sure to follow him. But this is going to be a good one. Mark is going to go in and talk about some AMC stuff and Adam Aaron. Not one you want to miss. So, honestly, I'm going to tell you guys, I'm really on AMC and APE right now. I'm just sitting here waiting for some kind of news to drop. I think we're going to get some kind of news that drops Wednesday, Thursday, something like that, maybe after hours. And we're going to see some type of event. I'm still very confident in the APE conversion. People who got out of AMC and bought APE, some of them are like, oh my God, APE's dropping. I'm like, yeah, but APE didn't drop as much as AMC did. You saved yourself a lot of money by getting out of AMC last week or this week, whatever you did. Because AMC on Monday, from Monday to today, dropped over 50%, right? APE only dropped about 20 to 22%, and it's starting to tick back up a little bit. So to anybody who's like, oh, I shouldn't have sold AMC, you literally saved yourself a 30% downside on AMC this week. That's all you did. Apart from that, I don't think I have anything else. I just wanted to touch base with you guys. Let me take the comments. Sandy Smith, welcome back, Spence. Chris McShaw, after RS, do FTDs disappear? No. Failure to delivers do not just disappear. They have to be covered. Anybody who says that they just disappear does not know what they were talking about. Keith Carlo, let's do this. Now, it might come off the threshold list because of the reverse split, but the FTDs do not disappear. More than likely right now, we are going to see a record number of failure to delivers hit this week, which we won't get the data for until the next couple weeks. Not me. I guess some puts cashed out, baby. Nice, man. Pops, hit the like button. Kevin, I'm with you. What? How does T0 work? I did that one. Chuck, Blackmore going to $1.90 tomorrow? I think so, too. DCA now or never. I loaded up today, 248. Morantz said they disappear. Morantz is literally the dumbest person on YouTube. I'm sorry. Morantz comes on and talks so much stupidity, thinking he's exposing people. He's done nothing but lose money on GameStop. Morantz loves talking about AMC because he doesn't have anything else to talk about, and he doesn't know what he's talking about. That's why his videos are getting no traction. Chuck Blackmore, they don't need anything to short. They do it no matter what. Yeah, they will. They'll naked short to death. We will see a record number of failure to delivers on AMC. Worried my options are going to get crushed after RSC. It depends on what your strike price is, Sonny. Jose Rivera would love to join, but Mark has me blocked. Still no idea why. Maybe I was dumb. AMC. He's blocked me at one point in time, man. It just happens. Boston Strong. What's better to buy now, AMC or APE? I still think it's APE. Algorithmy. Will the talk with Mark be recorded as I am busy? I think it will. I'll tell you what. I'll key up my live stream and I'll post the Twitter space call anyways. I won't be talking on my live stream. I'll be in the space call, but I'll key it up so everybody can listen to it on here. That way, anybody who can't catch it on Twitter can hear it. So about 40 minutes, I'll be back on with the live stream from Twitter for you guys. So make sure you set alerts, like this video. Make sure just to check back at make sure to check back at 3 p.m. Eastern here, and I'll have the live stream up for you guys. So reminder, ex-dividend is tomorrow. Yep, that's right. Ex-dividend date is tomorrow. So doesn't matter what strike, new chain will drain volume from the current. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, guys. Anyways, I'm going to kick back off. I'll be back on in 40 minutes with the space call. Just wanted to key up and let everybody know what was going on. This is going to be a really good one. You really don't want to miss it. Y'all take care. Frog Stonks out.